Hey, what's going on, guys? SRT Wolf here. In today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at my brand new Scatpack design. I put the design on, I'd say about 3 days ago. I've had it for about 2-3 weeks. I just hadn't put it on until recently because the weather wasn't that great. Eventually it rained at one point. So, you know, rain in LA, that's a surprise. But yeah, looking at it, guys, I'm gonna be doing a quick walk around so you guys can enjoy the entire design. I personally love it. There is a little piece that's missing from the back of the car, and I tried to put it on today, but as you can probably tell in the video, it's a little bit windy, so I decided to just rip it off because there were too many bubbles, it wasn't aligned, you know, that type of stuff. But a quick overview of the design, and it's basically the Scatpack B that you see right there on the fender with a stripe saying Scatpack all the way to the front. And the piece that was missing was supposed to be a 392 stripe that was supposed to go that way, then down, and have a little 392 design there. I might put something in the future there, or I might just order another set. But for the most part, even just like this, 80% of it, the car looks great. I've had people already walk up to me and tell me, dude, it's an awesome design. And other people have told me, what's the deal with that slug? I don't know why, but people think it's a slug. Anyways, the most challenging part of this design was the B, because it's a two-piece set. You got the body in the back and the head in the front. And what makes it more challenging is the fact that my door came with these plastic strips, these paint guards, I guess, to protect you from chipping your paint when you open a door in a tight parking lot or something like that. You know, it's supposed to protect it. Now, if I were to remove those to try to lay out the decal flat, I would void my warranty on these, and these have a lifetime warranty from what I read in the description. So I figured I'll leave them on there, I'll do what I can, and you know, this is not a one-person job. Unless you're a professional, you obviously know how to do it, but I did it myself. I saved myself about $300 because I went to various shops, and nothing against them, but you know, they obviously have their own prices. But they were telling me, no, we need to do our own design, you can't bring your own thing for reasons. And just for this B, there were some shops that were charging me almost $250 just to do this B. That's not with the stripe or anything, just the B. So I was like, you know what, I'll take the challenge. You learn by doing, and I decided to do it myself, and it came out great. In my personal opinion, it came out great. There are a few air bubbles, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a professional, but overall, I enjoy it. And yeah, with that, guys, I'm gonna be doing a walk around, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like down below. You can contact me on Instagram or Twitter, so you can chat about it. Maybe I can send you guys the link to where I bought this if you guys want to put this on your Scatpack. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below and a like. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. This is SRT Wolf signing off. Peace.
Around you as you drown, now it's time to put on